All right.
Good to see you, sir.
Good to see you again. All right. Today is round 3 of our lessons. So today we're going to work on chipping, a little bit of pitch, but a lot of chipping around the green, chipping to different lengths, that kind of thing. But before we get there, lesson 1, full swing. What have you been working on?
The hip thrust, staying down the line.
When you say hip thrust, I don't mean like that. You're talking about firing your hips, right?
Right.
All right, just check and make sure. Okay. All right, and then the club staying down the line.
Right.
To get rid of that inside that we had before.
Right.
So now we're going down the line. Okay. All right. Putting.
Shorter backswing.
Shorter backswing. It's not decelerating, but accelerating through the putt. And catching the ball dead in the center of the club face. Not out on toe, not on the heel, but in the center. Okay. All right, like I said, today we're just gonna hit a few little pitch shots, and then we're gonna go over to the green and work on chipping around some holes. What is it do you think you need to work on with short pitches and then chipping, from the edges of the green? What weak points do you have?
Inconsistency, I guess.
Okay. So in other words, I guess inconsistency being where you catch it on the club face, as far as coming off, whether it's high, low.
But it's partially my own fault for changing things up all the time, not being consistent on my setup, stance,
Okay.
various things.
Okay. So with different stances, the club path is going to be a little bit different.
Yeah, a lot of it depends in the club selection too. Depends on the lie. If it's a real tight lie like this, you know what I'm saying, where I've basically got to pick it and catch it clean compared to having it fluffed up, or if it's plugged down or whatever it may be. There's a lot of variables there that affect how I set up to it, what club I hit, what shot I'm trying to attempt, essentially.
Okay. And when you don't hit it right, do you catch it on the toe? Do you catch it in the heel?
All the above.
Okay. All right. So we need to again work on centeredness of hit, making sure we catch the ball in the center of the club face. Okay. And then we'll work on, like I said, with different setups, what that path is going to be, and we'll look at, again, hoping we're not decelerating on it, that we're coming through. So yeah, we'll address all those things, and hopefully by the time we're done with this, you'll see that your chipping's better. All right.
Sounds good.
All right. Let's get started.
All right.